Welcome to the power revolution driven by gallium nitride, or GaN, technology. This video explores this efficient, compact, and high-performance semiconductor technology for electricians, engineers, and homeowners. GaN is the next generation of semiconductor material. Unlike traditional silicon, this wide bandgap material handles higher voltages and temperatures with much greater efficiency. GaN is breaking the physical limits reached by silicon. Compared to silicon, GaN offers significant advantages. It has a much wider bandgap, is 10 times faster, and has lower power loss, resulting in cooler operation. It also handles higher breakdown voltages and is highly compact. GaN performance benchmarks are impressive. We see a 40% energy loss reduction, a 3 times power density increase, and a 50% smaller device footprint. GaN transistors switch faster, requiring smaller inductors and capacitors. GaN enables the design of high-efficiency circuits through several features. It offers fast switching at MHz-level frequencies, minimizing conduction losses and resulting in less complex cooling solutions. It also has high thermal resilience. For electricians, GaN brings reliability and space savings. Compact modules and power supplies are shrinking, easing enclosure fits. Reduced thermal stress also translates to a longer lifespan for components, and high power capability is possible in standard outlet sizes. We see GaN applied across various sectors. This includes consumer tech, electric vehicles, renewable energy like solar inverters, and communication, specifically in high-frequency 5G base stations. This graph illustrates the power conversion efficiency trend. The trend toward peak efficiency is driven by gallium nitride technology, which promises significantly higher efficiency than standard silicon. GaN demonstrates thermal superiority. Its wide bandgap allows it to handle energy transfer with minimal resistance, wasting less energy as heat. Cooler components mean longer hardware longevity, as seen in the thermal imaging comparison. GaN is integral to the future of the smart home, expected to be standard in every home appliance within the next 5 years. It enables a greener world by significantly reducing global energy waste in power conversion.